Bernie, I told you, it's gonna be okay. Maybe he'll let you be VP. I gotta go. Bye. Sorry about that. All right, so here are some mistakes. Where would you make the corrections? Here's the first one. As I was walking home from the park, I saw my friend Shaka. I said, "Hey, what are you up to?" What would you do to make this better, to fix the mistake? You're right. See? This is missing a quotation mark at the beginning. We always have quotation marks at the beginning and at the end of what someone's saying. Okay, number 2. Shaka looked up suddenly. "Just shooting some hoops," he responded. Where is the mistake? What would you do to correct it? All right, let's see if you got it right. Yep, this is not the end of the sentence. The sentence ends with the dialogue tag. At the end of what someone's saying, if it's not the end of the sentence, then you put a comma in the quotation marks, and then you put the dialogue tag. All right, next one. I yelled back, "Cool, man. I wish I could join you. But, 6 feet. That's okay," he yelled back. "Catch you tomorrow, man," I shouted. Which rule is this person not following? Nice. They are not following the rule that you need to start a new line anytime someone new is talking. So you see how I moved it? So now there's a new line whenever someone's talking. Next one. I kept walking when suddenly I saw my friend Tina. "Hey, Tina, how are you?" I yelled. What rule are they not following? Let's see if you got it right. If you said that they did not include a capital letter at the beginning of the quote, then you are right. This should be a capital H. All right, one more. I'm great. I'm working on my garden. What's missing? What are they missing? If you said that they're missing the dialogue tag, then you are correct. You're missing that "said Maria." Who knew Maria liked to work on her garden? I did not know. All right. When using dialogue, when do you use it?